Hi, my name's Rachel Adams and I work for a company called Scilabware Limited, and I'm product manager for the plastics portfolio. The product that I'm going to be talking to you about today is the very exciting new Wheaton CryoELITE tissue vial for tissue collection, sample and storage. This product is unlike any other cryovial on the market. It has similar features and benefits to regular cryovials, but as you can see from this sample here, geometrically it's quite different. The CryoELITE product has a wide mouth which allows easy access for larger tissue and solid samples. It has similar features and benefits to regular cryovials, so its operating temperatures are -156 to 121. It's IATA compliant, RNAs, DNAs and pyrogen free. It has a conical skirted self-standing base, so on a bench top it's very stable, unlike regular products. We also have a storage box for this product. The storage box will hold 25 samples and when placed in an envelope is ideal for putting through the post and will go through a letterbox. So if a regular cryovial is too small and a 30ml universal container is too big, then the Wheaton 5ml cryovial is ideal for your tissue sample collection and transport needs.